Welcome to a new vlog of Fun Family Travels. Today I'm going to take you to a couple of spots that you can visit on a day trip from Auckland. These are all located in the north of Auckland. Starting up with Matakana. It's about an hour drive from the city via Northway Gate Toll Road. The drive is itself very scenic via lush green nature and valleys and mountains. There's a separate video showing the full driving route. Be sure to check that out, link in the description box and I button above. Driving in New Zealand is always a wonderful experience, with breathtaking scenery making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. And here am I, your host Apurba. Let's begin the tour by visiting some spots. Matakana is a small town known for its farmers market. Hence I would suggest to visit here on Saturday mornings. Farmers market have local produce of olive oil, honey, delicious home bakings, fine wines and many more. There is free parking near the market. After arriving here, you can have breakfast, enjoy the live music before exploring the shops. I was also surprised to see the dog minder facility, something I have never come across before in New Zealand. If you are after fresh produce, the best is Avondale Farmers Market in Auckland. This market is more focused on wide variety of organic fruits. Being located along a quaint little river bank, it makes an exciting spot for kids to watch and interact with the ducks and eels. And when you are in Matakana, you cannot miss this signature structure. If you are wondering what it is, you would be surprised to know it's actually a public toilet. Perched on high ground, it offers breathtaking scenic views. And it's not all. Matakana also holds a popular tourist attraction of New Zealand, Sculptureum. It is home of stunning art and some amazing gardens. Giving you some quick glimpses of the place. But for the complete tour with details of ticket prices, duration of visit, you can watch the full video. Link is in the description box and also on the I button above. And a minor correction from that video is that Matakana drive took 2 to 3 hours in the month of December. Otherwise it's only an hour drive as mentioned in the start. December being a festive season makes traffic a bit busier than usual. Anyways, now wrapping up with Matakana and moving up to our second spot, Whangarei. It is a beautiful coastal city just a 2-hour drive from Auckland, and I'm going to take you around some must-visit spots. Our first stop is Kauri Park. From the parking, walk along the Alexander track towards the canopy walkway to see some 500-year-old kauri trees. It is about 10 to 15 minutes walk. You can also walk up to Whangarei Falls, which takes about 1.5 hours return. But we kept it short with our 9 months old and visited only the canopy walkway. Kauri trees are native to New Zealand, known for its immense size and longevity. This kauri tree is just a child in front of Tane Mahuta, the 2000-year-old kauri tree located at Waipua Forest. Our next stop is Whangarei Falls, often called the most photogenic waterfall in New Zealand. It's an easy walk to the viewing platforms, and if you are up for it, you can take a short trek down to the base for an even better view. Now coming to our third stop, Town Basin. After the walks, it was the perfect stop for us to relax. It's a vibrant waterfront area filled with cafes, art galleries and children play area. It's a perfect spot to take a break and grab some lunch or coffee. When we travel, we always allow enough playtime for our kiddo. It keeps him happy, engaged, and makes the whole journey smoother for all of us. If you are keen to visit a unique art center, the Hundertwasser Art Center is located right here. The ticket price is $25 and takes about an hour to visit. You can also visit the Claphams Clock Museum. They have huge collection of clocks taking us through history of time. From ancient sun, sand and water clocks to rare antique clocks, everything can be found here. Whangarei Art Museum is right next to the Clock Museum. While the entry is free, you might choose to skip it. The artwork is quite unusual and the place has a rather airy vibe. Moving on to the final spot in Whangarei, Whangarei Quarry Gardens. The entry is by donation of $5. You can explore the 2.3-kilometer loop trail. Some stretches are moderately steep, but you can enjoy some exotic plants inside. And to finish off the day, there is this awesome beach just 30 minutes from Whangarei. A great spot to chill, basically a perfect spot to end the adventure. It's a great little stop on the way back to Auckland. Breathtaking views and a bit of playtime with the fam. It's those little moments that really make the trip unforgettable. Hope you have enjoyed the Whangarei tour, guys. And now I'm going to cover the next spot in Northland, not so well known, but yet an incredibly beautiful location, Iwi Lakes. It is located at Omamari past Dargaville, about 2 hours 40 minutes drive from Auckland. You can visit here as a day trip or can stay at Whangarei and cover it in the same time. The Airbnbs close to Iwi are quite expensive, but Iwi Lakes also have camping grounds. The beautiful clear water and soft white sand at Iwi Lakes are sure to amaze you. And that covers Matakana, Whangarei and Iwi Lakes. Trips with young ones can get a bit stressful at times, but they always end with happy, long-lasting memories that make it all worth it. Please do subscribe us and turn the notification so you are always the first to know when we post a new adventure. If you are interested, you can watch our past travels covering cruise, exploring New Zealand, India, Fiji, New Caledonia, Vanuatu and many more. We will catch you on another adventure soon. Until then, take care and happy travels!